Hi guys, it's Amy from Now Polish Baby 90 and welcome to today's video. Today I am here with a swatch and review of the 90 Super Crellies collection. This did come out in the end of August, first week of September, but mine arrived to me by hand from Jess when she was with me in September. So I am a little bit late and I thought that you guys would probably benefit more from seeing the fall and Halloween collection first, so I'm doing the Crellies second, so I hope that's okay. This is a six-piece collection inspired by Mario and the characters in the Super Mario Brothers universe. I love white Crellies. You guys know this. This is one of my favourite things about indies, that I can get these white Crellie mixes. So when Jess said this is what she was going to do for a collection, I was so on board with it. All of them, I'm going to just tell you the formula now because they all are exactly the same formula, with just different coloured glitters in them to represent the different characters. So for me, these were all more 3-coaters than 2-coaters. You can wear one over white, or you can wear them and build them up in 2 to 3. But for me, I think with these, although normally I like to slap things on thick, it was better to do 3 thinner coats and let them build up and see that Crellie and density come alive. So we're just going to go through the characters and the colour combinations in this Mario inspired collection. We probably should start with Mario himself, and his polish is called Jumpman, and Jumpman is large yellow, they're all quite small, but out of small, the largest small glitter is yellow, and then we then have slightly smaller red and then smaller navy blue. So you are getting those 3 kind of classic colours of Mario in here, and I really did like this one. I wore this one the most. I wore this for about a week while Jess was here actually. I knew that I wanted to wear a 90 while she was here, and I really wanted to do the Crellies. So that first one was Jumpman, which represents Mario. What a Peach is obviously representing Princess Peach, and hers is the most girly out of the ones in the collection. So you're getting like a neon pink is the largest, you then have slightly smaller yellow, and then you also have blue. Well, I'm getting my colours mixed up today. Then you are getting purple and a darker pink. So it's bright pink, purple, yellow and a darker pink. And like I said, there's just one extra colour in this, but then in Jumpman, but I just think that the mixture just looks so girly and so sweet. It almost looks like candy as well, and it just really encapsulates Princess Peach to me. So that was, again, so the next one was What a Peach, which is Princess Peach. For Yoshi, we have the shade Pch-Pchew, I think is how it's said, which is the noise that he kind of makes when he comes on to the screen, and he is more of the, again, the yellows, the yellow, greens and red spectrum. So we are getting like a limey yellow, you are then getting a green, and you are getting a red in here, as well as some white as well. So again, it's kind of the pictures that you see of those the heroes in Super Mario Brothers. This is what she's representing in the polishes, so hopefully they make sense when you see the characters too. So that was, again, Yoshi's one, which was Pch-Pchew, is how I'm going to say that. We then move on to the villains half of the collection, and the first one that we have is King Koopa, and this is representative of Bowser, and this is yellow, orange and green in the large small, and then we have very small black glitters running through it as well. And I think this is quite a good one because I think that the larger glitters are suited to the next 2 characters that I'm going to talk about, this one and the next one, because they are bigger characters physically in the universe. So because he's a slightly bigger character, I think the fact that the glitters are slightly bigger makes nice sense. So that one there was King Koopa, and that is Bowser's polish. We then have Wario, and Wario is represented by Anti-Hero, and he has larger small glitters, and they are like a fuchsia pink, which is also in Princess Peach, a green, like an apple green, and a yellow with small black glitters. So like I say, with all of them you're getting the 3 colours that mainly are visually there when you see them. If you don't know anything about Super Mario Brothers, you can of course pick them up. They're just beautiful Crellies, but if you are somebody that likes specific characters in that universe, these definitely are going to be great for you. So that one was Anti-Hero, which is Wario. Leaving my favourite to last, and this is Mr. Michief, which is Waluigi, and I really love this combination. It's like a navy, I want to say it is navy, it's definitely not black. There's navy, purple and orange, and I just think that the navy and the orange together just look so beautiful. And I wore this one last because it was going to be my favourite. I knew that just from looking at the bottles, that I just love the idea of the navy and the orange together. It's probably similar to how I always like blue and bronzes together. I just think that's sort of, and maybe they're opposite on the colour wheel maybe, and I just think them together just looks really nice. It's maybe like when, where is it, the Wario one, Anti-Hero, that I did actually really like the fact that it was the green and the pink together. Sometimes that clash in colours could just look really stunning. So my favourite one and the last one is Waluigi's Mr. Michief. That collection is now available on 9/0. Don't worry about rushing. If you know Jess and you know the brand quite well by now, you know that she does tend to restock while the demand is there. So I can't imagine these being retiring very soon. I think they are also on Rainbow Connection, so I will link them down below too. Let me know which one is your favourite from this Super Crellies collection, and I will see you soon. Bye.